Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this cucumber cake together. Here I have my cucumber. I'm just going to blend it with milk. We are making cucumber cake today, so I put it on the blender. I'm just going to blend everything together before I continue the mixing with the rest things. Here I have my egg in the bowl, so I add my sugar into the same bowl also. So I'm going to add my oil on it. I will mix everything together very well. Keep on watching, guys. Here I have my baking powder, so the next thing I'm going to add my flour on the bowl also. I will mix everything together. I'm going to add the flour gradually. I'm not going to pour everything once. So I will just keep on mixing it together before we bring our mixing cucumber into the same bowl. Here I have my cucumber, so I'm just going to pour it into the cake. Continue mixing the same thing together. I'm pouring it gently. I don't want to pour everything once so that it can be easy with the mixing. So that is what I'm doing as demonstrating on the video. Mix very well. Cake is full of mixing, of course, so I'm just adding it gradually. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video. You can see now it's really fluffy, so I'm going to put butter on my mold to make it easy where the cake is already baked. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to pour the cake inside the mold now. So I put my oven on before now. So my oven is 180 degrees, guys. This cake will go for 180 for 30 minutes. So I have my cake here. I'm just going to make sure everything. Our cake is ready, guys. So let's remove it out of the pan. Wow, it's really nice. It looks beautiful, and the scent amazing also. So let's remove it from the mold. Guys, let's see what we have inside. It's beautiful. I hope it tastes amazing also. I think so, of course it is. Let's see what we have inside, guys. So I'm just going to cut a little pieces out of it and test it and let you guys know the taste that we have here. It really tastes amazing, guys. It really tastes amazing. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.